set with foundation and powder, and I'm ready to get on with the makeup. And I made sure to put some on my lips because my bottom lip is going to be a nude color. So first I'm going to do the eyebrows black, and I'm going to do them thick going into a thin line. I'm going to do my top lip black. I'm going to do black eyeshadow with some yellow in the corners of my eyes. I'm gonna add some yellow eyeshadow to my cheek and put some pyramid lines on it for a cool effect. I'm gonna add some yellow contacts. So that is the makeup. And now we can get into putting the rest of the cosplay on. This is my floofy blonde wig. This is the hat I made. I got a black snapback for $3 and I just painted it with yellow fabric paint and puffy paint all over it. It says "Trust No One" and it has Dipper's pine tree but upside down because this is a Bipper transformation. But yeah, that is the hat. And it's going to tame the hair. Bill Cipher keychain, and I took it and made it into a necklace, like a cool accessory for my Bipper, and on the back it says "It is unseen," and it's just so cool. It's all engraved, and I got it off Amazon. If you guys are curious, just look up Bill Cipher keychain and you'll find it. Now for the base of the cosplay, I'm just having a yellow shirt, some black shorts, and a black vest. So, like I said, it is Bill Cipher's colors. The cosplay isn't complete without this journal 3. So I got this when it first came out, so it is Journal 3, and this is ideal for any Gravity Falls cosplayer because the pages are just like in the show. It is just perfect. You could see that. It is amazing. It has so much detail, and like even if you just read it, it's just amazing for any Gravity Falls cosplayer. And what's cool about it is if you take the cover off, there's a blueprint of the portal and Gideon's machine, but also, let me just set that to the side. It looks like the actual Journal 3 when you take the cover off, so it is just perfect for a cosplay or just displaying it. But yeah, that is my Journal 3 to complete my Bipper cosplay. And I also have my nails painted black just to match the theme. I hope you guys enjoyed this video on going over my Bipper cosplay. I'm really proud of it and proud of this idea. Let me know if you like this Bipper cosplay because I worked really hard on it and I've been wanting to do this forever. Tell me in the comments below who is your favorite Gravity Falls character and why. Mine personally is Dipper, but I also like Bill Cipher, so maybe Bipper. Makes sense. Bipper. I did a video on cosplaying Will Cipher. If you guys want to see that, I'll put an iCard. Subscribe for more if you like cosplay, because I have other cosplays on my channel. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Love you guys. I'll see you in the next video. Pine tree.